Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your RomaShade. First, we'll mark out our drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be 75mm from both sides of the recess. And now we'll ensure the brackets are far enough away from the window frame so the blind doesn't hit any window or door handles. Now we'll drill our bracket positions and insert our plugs. Now you can screw in your brackets, ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. We'll just show you a reference as to where the bracket clips onto the grooves on the cassette. Now we can clip our cassette into the brackets, lining up the front groove of the cassette with the front lip of the bracket, and push upwards to clip in. And check the blind is operational. And that's how you install your RomaShade. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.